Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video I will be recreating this Zoya inspired makeup look. So I'm a big fan of Jennifer and her character Zoya in Bepannah is wonderful. So I really love her. So I thought of recreating her look. So I'm inspired by this picture. It is so beautiful. It has all the pink vibes. So that's why I went with this. So yeah, if you want to see how I create this look, because this is an easy look, so please keep on watching.
So for primer, I'm using the Nivea Aftershave Balm. For foundation, I'm using the Nykaa Skin Genius Liquid Foundation and I'm in the shade 03 and I'm blending that with my Forever 21 makeup sponge. For concealer today, I'm using this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Light. And again blending it with the same Forever 21 sponge. Now setting my under eyes with this banana powder by the Wet n Wild Contour Kit. Now with this Lakme 925 powder foundation, I'm setting my face. The brush is PAC 214. Using the bronzer from the same Wet n Wild palette, I'm using it to bronze up my face. For blush, I'm using this NYX Sweet Cheeks palette. I'm using the pink shade for my blush. And for highlight, I'm mixing both of these shades. I'm using my Benefit Cup Brow to fill in my brows. So today I will be using this Freedom Today's Tonight palette. First I'm taking this shade and applying that on my crease with the PAC 213 brush. Next, I'm adding the same bronzer on my crease with the PAC 393 brush. Applying the same shades on my lower lash line. Now taking this pink shade, I'm applying that on my eyelids. Now taking this Wisp highlighter by Colourpop, I'm applying that on the center of my eyelids. Now adding some nude eyeliner on my waterline. This is by PAC. Highlighting my inner corners and my brow bone with the same highlighter combo. Applying some mascara on my top and bottom lashes. This is Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. And for lipstick, I'm using this Nykaa Mattelicious Lip Crayon in the shade Pink Conflict. And this is the finished look.
So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys like it, and if you like this recreation, do give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Click that bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload a video. And if you want me to recreate any other looks, do let me know in the comment section below. I hope to see you again on my next video. Till then, take care. Love you all. Mwah. Bye guys.